Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to your favorite subject. And what is that? Exactly. Welcome back to our stars that is mentioned. So, as you know, that grade one and grade two, you both have the same topics. I used to shuffle them up, so I have decided to record one lecture for you too. Basically, it is for grade two and grade one, as well as you both can do activity in different ways. What you need for this activity today, we are going to do something different and something amazing. And that is like, I'm telling you the topic, crepe paper art. Crepe paper art. This is a topic of yours, and that means you are going to do this with the different things. All you need is for that is a chart paper of any color of crepe sheets, and then scissors and stick. I think which you stick is needed. Yes, which you stick. Let me bring. UHU stick. Okay, then now crayon of brown color and crayon of green color and then crayon of I think my daughter has lost the purple crayon, so we are going to use something else in that. What you are going to do is take a chart piece. We will do this. I think that will be enough. I'm going to cut it. This is the chart paper I will use, and this I'm going to stick on the board so I can show you how to draw the tree branch and how we are going to do the crepe paper, because it would not be easy for me to keep it in my lap or to show you there. All I need is a little tape here and a little tape here. So class, this is the chart paper. What you are going to do is you have to draw the tree branch. You can fill it. You can fill the color. This is the tree branch. Here you wanna draw the leaves. You can draw maximum leaves for the grapes. And then here you are gonna draw the grapes. Grapes. These grapes, and then these are the grapes. What we are gonna do is to take this crepe sheet, okay? You can cut it. A ball is made. Now I need UHU for. Now I need UHU for. This is a small ball. You have to make it well because this is not a well one. Let me tell you. It's up to you how you are gonna do. I am feeling it easy, so I am making just these kind of balls. Or we can do is we will do like this, like this. This is the third way of making ball. This is the easiest way. See, these are the grapes I have drawn. Sorry. Let me make some more grapes. Because I am telling you the easiest way of making balls. There are many other ways, but that would be difficult for you. So it is better that you use the simplest way. Children, it is easy for you to make the grapes like this, okay? Now it is your ability to make a complete circle or without making a circle you can do. Because my main purpose is to tell you that this is the way to make a crepe parat. And I need to put one grape here, paste. this is all. You can make as many as grapes on your branch, and this is for your see. This would be like this. I have made the bigger grapes, so that's why it's looking little rough. But you have to make smaller grapes, small balls of crepe paper. You can use the other ways to put something hard in it and then make a proper ball. But this would be the way of drawing or pastry grapes on your chart paper. Okay, class. So this is all about your art class. We are gonna finish it and practice this for sure. Take care. Allah Hafiz.